So आज आ गए हम polkadot के इवेंट के अंदर और आज है सेकंड डे और we came to know about like what is Subwallet and we just met him this guy. So do introduce. What's your name?
My name's Ryan from Subwallet.
Okay.
Yeah.
So when did you start your crypto journey? When did you want to start from begin? So when did you introduce yourself for the very first time to crypto and how's your journey started?
So actually we started the crypto journey about like 4 or 5 years ago, but we started building Subwallet about 1 year and a half ago. So Subwallet is a non-custodial wallet, comprehensive solution for the polkadot ecosystem, and now it's the only wallet in the ecosystem that is available on desktop browser extension and also mobile app.
So you are finally we have a wallet on polkadot extension, which is a mobile app.
Yeah, both desktop extension and also mobile app.
So it's an easy for desktop extension because every wallet is on desktop extension. But we all know what the data says. More people have mobile phone in their pockets rather than carrying their desktops. So thank you so much for this. Like you actually have your mobile app version.
Yeah. Thank you very much. Actually, it is also started from our users' pain point when we first released the desktop browser extension, and our users start using it and they love it. But actually, they want something they can do on the go. So we also develop a Subwallet mobile app so that the users can use it on like multiple platforms. Different locations, and also you can like sync your account between desktop and mobile with a very simple way, the QR code. And after you sync your account between desktop and mobile, you can manage your assets on different platforms anywhere.
So whenever I feel this pain point, like finally you are a mobile app, congratulations on that. Okay, and apart from this, whenever we have to send our funds to another user, so we generally have to like copy paste their address, and that's the only option we have left with. So is there any possibility that you can do for the users and the community that we can bind our Twitter account and we can just, because we have to remember something when we are trying to when we are trying to send the funds to our friends or to any other community member.
Okay. I got
So-
the question.
So can we send our funds if we connect our Twitter account and just simply typing by their Twitter account and we can send it to them? Like, is there any possibility in the future? Because in generally whenever we have to send our funds to our friends or family members, like in India we have like Paytm or Google Pay. We can just simply type their name or contact number and we can send because blockchain is the future and we have to make it easy and accessible for all. So can we see that in the near future? Although MetaMask hasn't done yet, but you can be the one.
Yes, actually that is a very interesting idea, and I like that a lot. Actually, we thought about it before, and we have been like finding the solution for that. We've been talking to some of the partners that working on that solution. But the most important thing is that we need to care about like user security. That is the very important thing in the Web3 wallet, right? So we need to like very careful when we use that solution. So I would say it should not be in the near future, but definitely it is in our roadmap. Another thing but before that we don't have that feature available. So, but for now, you can use the QR code. So you don't need to like remember your public address. You can just show them, send them the QR code, and they just like scan the QR code on the mobile everywhere. Like this at the moment. So for example,
You can show it to the camera. Yeah.
So if you want to receive the asset, click here, dot, and you can show the QR code for your friends. You don't need to remember the public address. Show them the QR code, and they can scan the QR code in here and send that a few seconds.
So that's really pretty great. and I hope that you make this mobile app more easy and more UI UX friendly, so that people are gonna use this app for the near future. Like, and can we also know about what's the team size as of now? Are you guys growing, or are you guys hiring? Do you guys also have some funding, so that people can assure you that this wallet is pretty safe, because it's all about decentralization, and people got stuck behind, like because they don't have the time to do research by its own. So do tell us about, like, what are your security features? Do you guys have funding? What are your team size? Something about that.
Okay, thank you. So actually, when we started about a year and a half ago, we just have 2 members, but now we have 20 members in the team. So and we are trying to hire more people for Subwallet. In terms of funding, actually we have been using the bootstrap fundings from our founders. We have kind of quite successful companies in the Web2 space, and we still have cash money from the Web2 companies to fund for Subwallet. And also beside that, we got funded by the polkadot Treasury, which is the treasury that fund the infrastructure, very important projects.
You are telling us that you are already you are already funded by the polkadot Treasury itself.
Yeah. So we funded by the polkadot Treasury 2 times for the desktop extension and 1 time for the mobile app. We are also a member of the Subtrade Builders Program, which is the program of polkadot that support the infrastructure project in terms of technical support, community building support, and also fundraising support, and so on. We are also working very closely with PARITY, the company behind polkadot, and also working very closely with all of the parity chain in the polkadot ecosystem. And we follow their development very closely, and we support them very well.
So that's pretty great, and we gather all of the stuff related about the Subwallet itself, and it was really nice meeting you, brother.
Yeah, thank you very much for having me here today.
No, it's our pleasure. We have a simple job that we have to try to educate the community. Like, what are the, like, everybody know that there is a project or there is a coin, but they doesn't realize that there are some actual people behind it, or there are actual teams behind it, the faces behind it. So we just try to push those faces towards the public, that this project is actually doing something. It's not like that some teenager just build this coin and doing 100x. It's a business itself.
Thank you very much.